Today, we're preparing a nutrient-dense and visually striking purple cabbage and sweet potato soup, a creamy and crunchy dish that not only delights the senses, but also a detoxifier for your liver and gut. Now let's dive right into the recipe. Begin by peeling and julienning a sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are basically nature's candy, but with fewer regrets. They will add a natural sweetness to balance the earthy flavors of the cabbage. Heat a small amount of oil in a pan over high heat. Sauté the sweet potato julienne for approximately 1 minute until slightly caramelized. Once cooked, remove from the pan and set aside. These will serve as a crispy garnish for the final dish. Next, dice an onion into medium-sized pieces. Add additional oil to the pan, followed by the chopped onion. Sauté for about 1 minute until they soften. Now, add freshly chopped ginger and garlic, stirring until you like to call, my kitchen smells amazing. Proceed by dicing another sweet potato into small cubes and adding it to the pan. This step enhances the soup's texture by contributing to its velvety texture. Now introduce the star ingredient, purple cabbage. Roughly chop the cabbage. Purple cabbage owes its rich color to anthocyanins, a flavonoid with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a superhero for your cardiovascular system, fighting off oxidative stress and lowering blood pressure. It's also packed with fiber, vitamin C, and glucosinolates, which sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but are actually sulfur-containing compounds that help your liver detox. So yeah, this soup is basically a spa day for your insides. Add the cabbage into pan, stir the mixture, allowing it to sauté briefly so that the flavors meld. Season the mixture with black pepper and kosher salt to enhance depth of flavor, or as I like to think of it, the make everything taste better step. Pour in an appropriate amount of water and bring the soup to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring the vegetables become tender and fully infused with the broth. Once the ingredients have softened, use a blender to process the mixture into a smooth, velvety consistency. For a final touch, incorporate a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to introduce a subtle acidity that balances the soup's natural sweetness. Stir in the reserved crispy sweet potato julienne for a contrasting texture, because who doesn't love a little crunch in their life? And there you have it, a stunning, vibrant, and nutrient-rich purple cabbage and sweet potato soup. Perfectly smooth, slightly sweet, and full of wholesome goodness. It's basically a hug in a bowl, but with more antioxidants. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your soup always be as fabulous as you are.